Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to get a domain for free on Wix. First, go to your web browser and search for Wix. Now open the first link to visit the official website. Here, click the Get Started button in the top right corner of the screen. You can directly sign in using Google, so choose your Google account to continue. Next, enter a phone number that can be used to recover your account. You'll be directed to the dashboard of your account. To start designing your site, click the Design site. Then choose how you like to design, either generate a design with AI or use a template. You should pick a website template from the given options you love. It'll start preparing and loading all the pages. You can enhance your content using AI. Once completed the site, click the Publish button in the top right corner. After publishing your site, click the View Site button. Head back to the dashboard and go to the Settings tab on the left side. In Settings, click the Website Settings option. In the Site Address section, you can find the free domain of your site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.